Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we're gonna talk about number system. Alright, let's start with something really fundamental, binary.
Binary. When we see the prefix bi, what other words can we think of? Biscale, bidirectional, biset. Yeah, bi means 2. Binary is a base 2 number system using only the digits 0 and 1. 0 represents the off state and 1 represents the on state. For example, this is the binary number system. Although it is difficult for people to read, computers use this binary format for processing and data storage. Next, let's take a look at the octet system. When we see the prefix octa, what other words can we think of? Octagon, octopus. Yeah, octa means 8. Octet is a base 8 number system using the digits 0 to 7. For example, this is the octet number system. Okay? Next, we're gonna talk about the decimal system. When we see the prefix deci, what other words can we think of? Deximeter, decade. Yeah, deci means 10. Decimal is a base 10 number system using the digits 0 to 9. Okay, this is the decimal number system. After the decimal, we're gonna continue with the hexadecimal system. When we see the prefix hexa, what other words can we think of? Hexagon, hexapod. Yeah, hexa means 6. Deci means 10. When we combine those two, we get 16. So hexadecimal is a base 16 number system using the digit from 0 to 15. However, in hexadecimal format, 10 is represented by A, 11 by B, 12 by C, 13 by D, 14 by E, 15 by F. So 0 to 9, E to F. You got it? This is the hexadecimal number system.
That's all for today's tutorial. I believe you now have a basic understanding about the number system. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe. Thank you for your support. I wish you a very nice day. Take care.